Good morning. I'm here for breakfast.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. May I have your room number, please?
Sure. It's room 308.
Room 308. Let me check that for you. One moment, please.
Of course, no problem.
Thank you for waiting. I can see your reservation here. You are staying for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. 2 nights.
Great. And breakfast is included in your plan for both mornings, so there is no extra charge.
Oh, that's wonderful. I wasn't sure if breakfast was included or not.
No worries. Many guests ask the same question. Breakfast is served from 7 in the morning until 10:30.
Until 10:30. Got it. And what time is it now?
It's about 8:40 right now, so you still have plenty of time to enjoy your meal.
Perfect. I woke up a bit late today, so I was worried I might miss breakfast.
Not at all. You're just in time. Let me show you to your table.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This is my first morning here, so everything is new to me.
Don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step. Please come this way. Where would you like to sit? We have tables by the window and tables in the center.
A window seat would be nice, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, we have one available. Please follow me.
Oh, this is beautiful. I can see the pool from here. The view is amazing.
Yes, it's very peaceful in the morning. Many guests enjoy sitting here.
I can see why this spot is popular. It feels very relaxing.
I'm glad you like it. Now, let me explain how breakfast works. The buffet is right over there on the left side. You can see the long table with all the food.
Yes, I see it. It looks like there are so many choices. Where can I get drinks?
The drink station is on the right side, next to the buffet. You can find juice, water, and tea there. We also have milk.
What about coffee?
For coffee, we bring it to your table so it stays fresh and hot. Just let me know when you'd like some.
That's great. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. Please take your time and enjoy.
Excuse me, could you tell me more about the food? I'd like to know what's available today.
Of course. Today we have scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, and fried eggs. We also have a live cooking station.
A cooking station? That sounds nice.
Yes, the chef can prepare eggs fresh for you.
Great. What about meat?
We have chicken sausages and grilled beef slices. They are very popular.
Sounds delicious. And what about bread?
We have toast, whole wheat bread, and croissants. There are also bagels. You can find butter, jam, and honey next to them.
Wonderful. I love croissants. Do you have fresh fruit?
Yes, we have apples, bananas, melon, and pineapple. Everything is fresh.
That's perfect. Is there anything special today?
Yes, we have a local dish. It's a traditional rice dish with vegetables. It's light and healthy.
That sounds interesting. I'd like to try it.
I think you'll enjoy it. It's very popular with our guests.
Thank you. I'll try that.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Of course. Regular or decaf?
Regular, please.
Would you like milk with it?
Yes, please. Cold milk on the side.
Sure. I'll bring that right away. Also, would you like me to order eggs for you?
Yes, please. What are the options?
You can have scrambled, fried, or an omelet with toppings like cheese or vegetables.
I'll have scrambled eggs with cheese, please.
Great choice. I'll bring it to your table soon.
Thank you. I'll go to the buffet and get some other food while I wait.
Perfect. Take your time and enjoy.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Of course. How can I help?
I have a food allergy. I'm allergic to nuts.
Thank you for telling me. That's very important.
Does anything here contain nuts?
Yes, the granola has nuts. Please avoid that.
Okay, thank you. What about the bread?
The bread is safe. It does not contain nuts.
That's good. And the rice dish?
That is also safe. No nuts in it.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else. How is everything? Are you enjoying your meal?
Yes, everything is delicious. The eggs are really good.
I'm glad to hear that.
Could I have another cup of coffee, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here you go. Anything else?
Yes. Could I have some fruit?
Of course. I'll bring it now.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, I'm done now.
Everything was really wonderful. Now, how do I pay for breakfast? Do I pay here at the restaurant?
I'm glad you enjoyed everything. Since breakfast is included in your room plan, there is no extra charge for the buffet or the coffee. So you don't need to pay anything today.
Really? Even the eggs that were made at the cooking station?
Yes, the cooking station is part of the breakfast buffet.
That's great. But I noticed some guests at the front are signing something on a piece of paper. What is that for?
That's for guests who ordered extra items that are not included in their plan. When they order something extra, they sign to confirm the charge. The charge is then added to their hotel room bill. We call it a room charge.
Ah, I understand. So they don't pay cash here. The charge is added to their hotel bill and they pay everything at checkout?
Exactly.
That is convenient. But I don't need to sign anything today, right?
That's correct. You're all set. No signature needed today.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for everything this morning. The food was excellent, and your service was truly wonderful.
Thank you very much. We're really glad you enjoyed your breakfast.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your day.